Connect multiple monitors in Windows on a computer that supports multiple video connections. The connections can be through a VGA, DVI, HDMI, or DisplayPort cable. Connect your primary monitor to the computer using your supported connection method. Connect the secondary and any additional monitors to the computer using the remaining connection ports available on the computer. The type of cable used does not have to match the cable for the primary monitor. Turn on the connected monitors and computer. From Windows, right-click on the desktop and go to Display Settings. Click the Multiple Displays drop-down and choose your desired display type. If more than 2 monitors are connected, additional settings are available. Duplicate these displays shows a mirror image from Desktop 1 to Desktop 2. Extend these displays expands the work area across both monitors and allows different applications to be displayed on either. Show Desktop only on one enables the workspace only on the primary monitor and disables all other monitors. Show Desktop only on 2 enables the workspace on the secondary monitor and disables all other monitors. Click Keep Changes to save the settings. Windows displays the selected monitor configuration.